Actors and writers in Los Angeles took to the streets in a powerful display of solidarity amidst a grueling strike that has entered its 135th day for the Writers Guild of America, WGA, and 62nd day for the Screen Actors Guild, SAG. The ongoing strike has seen negotiations between the WGA and the group representing major studios and streaming services reach an impasse. The streets of Hollywood were packed with thousands of striking actors and writers on Wednesday as they marched together, sending a clear message to the studios that they are united and determined to fight for their rights. The demonstration aimed to exert pressure on the studios to accede to their demands. The strike, which has disrupted the entertainment industry for several months now, has pushed these two influential unions to take a stand. The Writers Guild of America represents screenwriters, television writers, and web series writers, while the Screen Actors Guild represents actors working in film and television. The lengthy strike is a result of failed negotiations between the WGA and the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers, amptp, which represents the major studios and streaming platforms. Talks have broken down, leading to an intensification of the strike and a growing resolve among the striking members. During the demonstration, actors and writers carried signs and chanted slogans, emphasizing the crucial role they play in the entertainment industry. They highlighted their creative contributions to films, TV shows, and streaming platforms, underscoring the need for fair compensation and better working conditions. The strike has caused significant disruptions in the production schedules of numerous television series and movies, leading to delays and cancellations. As tensions escalate, the entertainment industry is bracing itself for the potential long-term impact of this standoff. At the center of the dispute are issues surrounding fair compensation and residuals for writers. The WGA is seeking better payment structures, particularly in relation to streaming services, where the changing landscape of the industry has presented new challenges for writers to receive their rightful compensation. Similarly, SAG members are also campaigning for better pay and improved working conditions for actors, pushing for fair compensation and addressing concerns such as long hours and inadequate rest between shoots. As the strike continues, the unity displayed by actors and writers in Los Angeles serves as a powerful reminder of their determination to fight for their rights and secure a fair agreement. The standoff highlights the deep-rooted issues within the industry that need to be addressed for the future of both actors and writers. With negotiations at a stalemate and neither side showing signs of backing down, the future of the entertainment industry remains uncertain. However, as striking actors and writers continue their strong show of unity on the streets, it becomes evident that they are not willing to compromise on their demands.